What's up guys, Simeon here, and today I'm going to be on a new video of how to make a Lego One Punch Man and a car, you can see. So I'll be back in a second. Guys, here are all the pieces you will need. You will want you're going to want to get a 1x2, like a little slope. Sorry about my screen lately, it hasn't been working good. Get two 1x2s, put those on the bottom just like this. And you're gonna wanna get this piece, I don't know the name of it, but just put it like that. And make sure it has no studs here. The studs should be on the other side. So just put it like that, right there. And then you're gonna wanna get a 1x2, like I was just talking about. Those studs, put something just like that. You will see it will look like a cross. Get one 1x1, put that on the side of the stud, and the other side too. You could just do this bit by bit, but I'm doing this like this. Just like that, then you're gonna want to get a 1x2. Do that. This is for One Punch Man's little suit. There it is. Oh no, 1 minute, guys. So after you do this, you're gonna want to get a 1x2, put that on the bottom for his for his pants. These two are gonna be his pants, and you're gonna be thinking, why does this look so small? And I will show you that in a little. So why it looks so small is because you don't have the 1x2 right there. You should have a 1x2 right there to make it look bigger. Then look at that, you're done. And if you want to, you could add a 1x2 right there. That's the end of this video. See you in the next one. Bye. Like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, just like I always say. See you in the next video.